So the next type we are looking at is linear equation involving brackets. So if you look at this example, we are having bracket here. So anytime you have linear equation involving bracket, first you have to expand the bracket first. After expanding the bracket, before you group like terms and simplify to find your value. So expanding this bracket, these 3 will multiply these 2, you get 60 plus this same 3 will multiply the 1, and you have 3 times 1, which is 3, is equal to 7. So at this point we can group like terms and continue with the solving. T plus 60 is equal to the 3 will come to this side, which will be negative 3. Because when 3 crosses, positive crosses the equal to sign, it becomes negative. So 5t plus 6 will give us 11t, and 7 minus 3 will give us 4. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of t, the variable. So we have t is equal to 4 over 11. That's your final answer. So this linear equation, it involves both brackets and fractions. But if you are solving any linear equation which involves both brackets and fractions, you will first find the LCM and use it to multiply the terms, each term first, before expanding the bracket. If you expand the bracket before finding the LCM, it will make your work complex. So first, let's find the LCM. The denominators in each term is 2, 3, and 5. So if you want to find 2, 3, and 5, the least common multiple, since all of them are prime numbers, or there's no any number which can divide the other number, you can just take the multiples of all of them. So we have 2 times 3 times 5. So 2, 3, 6 times 5, which is equal to 30. So that's the least common multiple. So we'll use this 30 to multiply through the whole equation, and we'll multiply each term. So this is the first term, second term, and the third term. We use the LCM, which is 30. We have 30 times half bracket to be x bracket minus 30 times bracket. So at this point, we are going to simplify the equation. So 2 divide 30 15 times. 15 times 1 will be 15 times 5. 3 will go into 30, or we divide 30 10 times 1. 5 will divide 30 6 times. So 6 times 1 times x, which will be 6x. So at this point, we will expand the bracket which is involved. So 15 times x, 15x plus 15 times 5. So 5, 5, will give us 25. That's 75. 5 times 1 multiplied by 2. Then minus 2 times 10 will give us 20x. The negative will affect the positive. So we'll have 10 times, negative 10 times positive 1 will give us negative 10, which is equal to 6x. Now we'll group like terms. The equation has no bracket and fraction, so we can now group like terms. So 15x minus 20x will be equal to minus 6x at the other side will now be equal to negative 10 because of the negative to 10 positive, then negative 75. So simplifying this one will give us negative 5, and this one, so negative 11x is equal to negative 65. We divide both sides by negative 11, the coefficient of x. We have x is equal to, so the negative will cancel 65 over 11. So we have to change this one to these numbers. So this one will go to 5 times, that is 55. Then we subtract 55 from 60. So we get 10 from 11. We have 5 whole number, 10 over 11. Thank you. If you have any questions, comment in the comment box below and subscribe to the channel for more mathematics solutions. Thank you. So when you are asked to solve a linear equation which is in this form, you can use the LCM method to find it by finding the LCM of the two fractions, or you can use the cross multiplication method. That one is simpler than using the LCM method. The cross multiplication method will be only used when you have one fraction here and another fraction here. When the terms are more than 2, you cannot use the cross multiplication method unless you go by the least common multiple, the LCM method, and you find the LCM for the fraction and you use it to multiply 2. But with the cross multiplication, it's simpler and to save you time. So when you have something like this, you use the 2 to multiply this one, and you use the denominator of 3x plus 4 to multiply the other side. That's why I find the cross multiplication. So we have 2 brackets. We put this one in bracket because we can 5x minus 1 is equal to 5 times. This one we put it into bracket because we are not marking, so we have to use the 1. Then now we expand the bracket. We have 2 times 5x will give us 10x. 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2, which is equal to 5 times 3x will give us 15x plus, let's say 5 times 4 will give us 20. So at this point, we group like them in the 15 and the other side. We have 10x minus 15x is equal to 20 plus 2. This one will give us negative 10x minus 15x will give us negative 5x, which will be equal to 22. And divide both sides by the coefficient of x, the number beside x will be 100. that x is equal to negative 23 over 5. So we change this one to mixed numbers. So this is, we cannot leave the answer in improper fraction. We change it to mixed numbers. So 5 will go into 22 4 times. Let me explain this one. When we want to change a number to mixed numbers, we use the long division method. So we put the denominator outside and put the numerator inside. So 5 will go into 24 times. Remember 2. So this is the 20. Subtract 20 from 22, you get 2. So we call it remainder 2. So this one will be 4 whole number, the remainder 2 over 5. That's the way we change improper fraction into mixed numbers. The negative that is here to this side, so that your answer will be negative 4 whole number 2 over 5.